Hi, this is John on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this video clip, I'll be talking about replacing a blade for a circular saw. First, you must make sure that your circular saw is unplugged. We need to retract the lower blade guard and hold on to our blade with a rag, or you can wear a glove when you're doing this. What this will do is it'll lock the blade in place while we loosen the nut in the center. I'm going to slip an adjustable wrench onto that nut, and then I'm going to loosen it. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then we can pull the blade straight off if we wiggle it a little bit. When we install our new blade, I'm going to go ahead and slip that into place. And I'm going to make note of which way the arrow is going in relation to the arrow on our guard. They both need to be going the same direction. Next, I'm going to slip that nut back on and screw it down. You'll need to hold the blade again and tighten that nut, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And you want that to be pretty snug.